Hi, this is the Zipper Lady, and I would like to talk to you about a left or a right insert on a separating zipper in your jacket. And this is a number 10. It has a double head, so you can pull it from either the front or the back. And I picked a 10 so that you could see how easy it was to do this. So this would be, if you hold it this way, this is a left insert, as if the jacket was on you. You are using your left hand into the head and the box. If you turn this one over, this is a right insert because it's in your right hand, as if this was on your body, on your jacket. Okay, and you just zip it up. My own personal feeling is, being left-handed, I like a left insert. But everybody has a reason why one hand works better than the other. And so, there's a couple of different ways you can do to fix this. The first one is just get a double-sided head. Then you can use it either way. But if you decide you want a non-lock, one-sided, or a auto lock, so this is the bridge, and there's a little spring in there that when you pull up on the pull, there's a pin that goes down into the head that goes in between the teeth, and it keeps the zipper head from moving. Okay, so, and all of these are used for something different. But if you want just one head on, all you do to take this off and fix it is pull the head all the way up to the top, and this is the top stop, and you take a pair of nippers and you just pop this off. And this is kind of a big blob of plastic, and so it'll take you a couple of shots. You do not want to hit the edge, so you want to use your nippers this way and then flick it with your fingernail. See how that works? Then take the other side off. And if you can't get it off with your fingernail, you can get your nippers back in there and pull it. Just like that. The head pops off. Now then, you have a choice whether this is going to be a left or a right insert, depending on how you put the head back on your tape. If you put it on this way, it's going to be a right-hand insert. If you put it on, turn over the tape, put it on this side, it's going to be a left-hand insert. Voila. Pop this up. There you go. And the only thing you need to do then is put a top stop on where you took the old top stop off. I stock an 8 and a 5. I don't have 10s because I think they're too big, but the 8 fits perfectly on there. It's a little U. You snug it up next to that tooth and use a pair of pliers and smush it on. That's it. It's pretty simple, and it'll make your life a whole bunch easier. So that's my zipper trick for the day. If you need help, you can reach me at thezipperlady.com or on my Etsy store at The Zipper Lady, or on Instagram, The Zipper Lady, or on YouTube at The Zipper Lady. Hope you go out and have a fun day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.